Voices shape the moves they've made. Hidden doors and guarded halls, whispers rising through the walls. In the silence, futures turn, lessons waiting to be learned. Power woven in the night, choosing what will come to light. Behind the quiet, choices form, guiding life through shifting storms. In the stillness, plans unfold, stories whispered, never told. Heavy hearts and steady minds, weighing paths for humankind. Questions drifting through the air, decisions carried with great care. Lines are crossed where few may see, threads that tie our history. In the balance, truth remains, echoing through secret chains. Behind the quiet, choices form, guiding life through shifting storms. In the stillness, plans unfold, stories whispered, never told. Silent rooms where worlds are shaped.